This video, I'm going to be talking about having the good routine or having a good routine for kovaaks. So I'm just basically going to speed run through this. So there are basically three important aspects I've learned that are very important for Fortnite. You have tracking, you have click timing, and you have flicks basically. So I also want to talk about basically getting the routines that you can like that don't under those scenarios in kovaaks. So before, let's say, and this is the kovaaks menu right here. Let's say I want to build a local playlist now. I prefer a local playlist because regardless of internet, you will still be able to play and your scores will be there for you to track progress and everything. So let's say you want to create a new playlist now. Create new playlist. You choose local, and you have that here. Let's just change the name to manifest. Okay. Then let's say you want to add some scenarios to it. So if you're basically stuck or you don't have any idea on what routines you should add, you can basically, I will try and make my what's it called now, my actual aim routine or public. I'll put the what do you call it now? I'll put the code for it in the description so you can just use that. But there are some ways you can start. I'll show you how to do that. So I know you can't see this, but I'll just basically put the routines on screen. So you have one wall, six targets small, tower frenzy mini, popcorn voltaic easy. So those three scenarios are basically to test your click timing. Here you can say one wall, six targets small, test your reaction and precision also. I can't really go in depth to it, but just know that this whole block here basically covers click timing with one wall, six targets covering precision. Then you go to smooth bot voltaic. I think if you are beginning with kovaaks, you should do smooth bot voltaic easy. You can find that in online scenarios when you type here, type in the search bar, you should be able to find it. Then you have close fast drift invincible. This is basically for close range SMG. Let's say in the box if you are playing builds or inside the bunker, just basically close range spraying, basically even to track the opponent. That's basically what it is. Smooth bot voltaic is just generally tracking, let's say mid to long range close tracking. And you have air invincible. Air invincible is different from smooth bot voltaic in the sense that air invincible changes in elevation. So basically, let's say someone shockwaves over you, you're able to keep track over the person. And then you have reflex flick fair, and you have close fast drifts shotgun FN one by one. So basically, the first one just tests raw reaction time or flicks if you prefer that, and close fast range strafes shotgun basically test your accuracy while inside a confined space with a bot. So basically you're moving around and you're trying to keep your cursor on the bot. So that's basically it for this video. I know it's a long one, but it has so many important details. If you're able to start with this routine, you'll be able to like get better aim in Fortnite actually. And in the next video, I'll probably show you how to add the actual routines. Now that I've shown you to create a playlist over here, you can actually add routines from online scenario. So see you guys in the next one.